Welcome to the Programming Academy. What I want to introduce today is the GPT we use to trade stocks. First we go to Anaconda's website. Then go to download his software and install it. The reason we use Anaconda is because it can open many projects separately, and then in each, there can be different settings in the project. Next, we press Next to install. Just go to the next step. Next we execute Anaconda's terminal. First of all, we need to create a new project. We call it mTrader, and then we regulate its Python version to be 3.8.5. Wait for it to install. He will list related packages need to be installed, so just press Y. That's it, and we use the name just entered by Conda activate. Enable it. The part we use with can be seen in this project. All installed packages below. Next we create a folder on the desktop, and then create a Python file. We'll need it later. Next, let's go to this ChatGPT to talk to him. Hi GPT, I asked him if he knew Backtrader. Hi. This software is a part dedicated to backtesting. ChatGPT replied to us. He said he understands this thing, so he can explain a lot to us, and I don't care about him. We just asked him to create a stock trading program. We asked ChatGPT to generate a code to trade Tesla stock. As for the data, I told him that we will use it for years. Data from the past 10 years are available. Database. Come to do training to do a test, and download historical data in Yahoo stock. We see that this is the code generated by ChatGPT for us. It also looks like it has been set up for him in it. A 0.1% transaction fee is also included. We are now installing version 3.8.5 of Python. Then directly paste the program code and execute it. He said that Backtrader is not installed, so we go directly to Anaconda to search for this package and should then directly copy his command to install directly. After this installation, we have seen the finance part of our Yahoo does not have this suite. Then we do the same to search and copy. Paste the installation, then let's wait for him to pretend. After loading, because we have set him, the initial value we gave him is $1. He helped us after the automatic transaction. In fact, it has earned more than $3,000. Then we asked him to speak out for us. I told him that we want to set the initial amount of 10万 and print it out. His current transaction is 13万yuan, so he earned 3万 yuan. Next, I talked to it and asked him to help draw our results, including his buying point and selling point, as well as the predicted data. Code is also generated here. The program he wrote is to use Cerebro to draw pictures. I guess wait a minute, there might be some packages that need to be installed. I saw him saying that Backtrader has not been installed yet, so the function cannot be used. On my side, I asked him directly how to solve this problem. I saw him call me back. Chatbot seems to be very harmful. You tell him that there is a problem. He will help you solve it, and tell you how to solve it, like this. Let me tell you now, Matplotlib does not have this package, so we will install it ourselves. Use version 3.2.2. Now that we have drawn it, you can borrow the talents I drew. It seems that he earns 3万 yuan directly from yuan, which seems to be 3 times. Then there is no money. The red and blue part is the part of the average line, and the black part is its actual value. Then let's tune him to see the parameters. We take the main line. This is currently using 50 and 200 as the average line. For reference, he then trades 100 shares at a time, empty initials. The amount wallet is yuan. He used yuan to trade, and then finally saw how much money he would get. After we adjusted the parameters, it was found that it can be made 5 times more than 10,000 yuan when trading 200 shares at a time. What about 300 shares at a time? I directly become 10 times. What about bet 400? Change 90,000. When we tested 600 shares, I suspect that he didn't seem to make any money. We directly call back 500 shares. It seems that you can earn 12 万, and the most seems to be about 12 万. You can try the detailed parameters. We adjusted the average line to 10-20 today. Looks like it's only making around 6万美元. Everyone can play with these parameters and find the best value they need. Today is it how to trade stocks with ChatDept introduced today. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you all.